Hello students, myself Shikha Singh. Today we will discuss a very important subject, pharmaceutical organic chemistry. In this, we will discuss the classification of organic compounds. What is the organic compounds and what is the classification of organic compound? This is very important topic and a very important subject for pharma courses. Then frequently asked question in our examination is what is organic compounds and what is the classification of organic compounds, what is the cyclic, acyclic or heterocyclic compounds, what are the aromatic compounds. These are the questions which are basically asked our examinations. Firstly, what is the organic molecules? Organic compounds made up of the organic molecules. So organic molecules are classified in a two class: hydrocarbons, which contain the carbon and hydrogen atoms, and the other class of the organic molecules. Then classification of organic compounds. Organic compounds constitute about 90% of all compounds. Depending upon the arrangement of carbon atoms in their structure, organic compounds are broadly categorized into acyclic or a open chain compound and cyclic or a closed chain compound. So organic compounds constitute about 90% of the all compounds. In this classification, the arrangement of the carbon atoms in their structure, organic compounds are categorized in acyclic, या तो open chain होंगे उनको हम acyclic कहेंगे, closed chain compounds are known as the cyclic compounds. So this is the classification of the organic compounds. Firstly, organic compounds are classified in a two class: cyclic or a closed chain compound and acyclic or a open chain compound. Cyclic compounds also classified in a two subclasses: homocyclic or carboxylic compounds and heterocyclic compounds. Homocyclic or carboxylic compounds further classified into two subclasses: acyclic or aromatic compounds and aromatic compounds, जैसा कि नाम से समझ में आ रहा है, having the smell like aroma like smell. This is also further classified in benzenoid compounds and non-benzenoid compounds. तो अभी तक हमने देखा कि ऑर्गेनिक जो मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं वो कार्बन हाइड्रोजन एटम से मिलकर बना होंगे या फिर इनके अलावा बने होंगे. अब जो हमारा क्लासिफिकेशन है ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स का, इसको हम क्लासिफाई कर रहे हैं अब depending upon the arrangement of the carbon atoms in their structure. Organic compounds on the basis of arrangement: acyclic or open chain compounds and cyclic or a closed chain compound. Then acyclic or open chain compounds, in this compounds carbon atoms are present in the form of a open chain, and this chain may either be a straight chain और ब्रांच्ड. अब ये हमारे जो ओपन चेन कंपाउंड या एसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड्स हैं, या तो हमारी जो कार्बन की चेन है वो तो स्ट्रेट हो सकती है या फिर ब्रांच्ड हो सकती है. तो दीज वर इनिशियली नोन एज एलिफैटिक कंपाउंड्स बिकॉज द कंपाउंड्स ऑफ दिस class were derived from either animal or a vegetable fats. So in the acyclic or open chain compounds, carbon atoms are present in a form of open chain. This open chain may be a straight chain or a branched chain. These are initially known as aliphatic compounds because the compounds of this class were derived from either animal or vegetable fats. In a straight chain compound, the carbon skeleton is in the form of a straight chain. For example, N-propane and propene. In the N-propane, CH3, CH2, CH3, and propene having the structural formula CH2 double bond CH, CH3. Then branched chain compound, the carbon skeleton is in the form of a branched chain. For example, isobutylene. This is the structure formula of the isobutylene. CH2 double bond CHC CH3 CH3. So this is the example of the straight chain compounds and the branched chain compound. Next हमारा आता है cyclic और a closed chain compound. They are marked by the presence of one or more closed chain or a ring of atom in their structure. In cyclic जैसा कि समझ आ रहा है, cyclic means closed chain में होंगे ये, तो they are marked by the presence of one or more closed chains or a ring of atoms in their structure. इनके स्ट्रक्चर में एक रिंग होगी और क्लोज्ड होगी. रिंग है तो ऑब्वियस है कि वो क्लोज्ड चैन होगी. देन द डिपेंडिंग ऑन whether there is a presence of any other atom apart from carbon in the constitution of the ring, they are further classified as a homocyclic or a carbocyclic compounds and heterocyclic compounds. So in the homocyclic or a carbocyclic compounds, the ring in these compounds are entirely made up of the carbon atoms. No other atom is present in the ring skeleton. So this is called homo. Homo means no other atom is present in the ring skeleton. Only the entirely this type of compounds are entirely made up of the carbon atoms. These can be further divided into two subclasses: alicyclic compounds and aromatic compounds. So alicyclic compounds, their name is attributed to their resemblance to aliphatic compounds in their properties. Compounds that is both aliphatic and cyclic. The example of this category includes cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclopentene, cyclohexane. These are the examples of alicyclic compounds. Means इसमें क्या है आपका कार्बन एटम से ही मिलके बने हुए हैं और एक रिंग स्ट्रक्चर रहेगा, क्लोज्ड रिंग रहेगी. देन एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड, these are cyclic unsaturated compounds. They derive their name from the Greek word aroma, which means fragrant smell. Since most of these compounds bear a pleasant smell, so on the basis of the smell, these are further classified into a two class: benzenoid aromatic compounds and non-benzenoid aromatic compounds. तो इसमें अगर हम देखें जो एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड्स हैं ये साइक्लिक अनसैचुरेटेड कंपाउंड्स हैं. जो हमारा एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड्स है ये डिराइव हुआ है हमारा ग्रीक वर्ड से, मींस एरोमा, fragrant smell. Since most of these compounds bear a pleasant smell, so these are further classified into two types: benzenoid aromatic compounds and non-benzenoid aromatic compounds. Thank you.